Experience absolutely even fabric feed thanks to optimized feeding and the Pfaff original IDT system. The original IDT system on your Pfaff machine is built in and always there for your convenience. No separate attachments are required. What is the secret to this power feature? The IDT system is synchronized to move with the feed dogs. Fabrics are fed from the top and the bottom at the same time. So fast or slow, forward or reverse, fabric is always fed smoothly and evenly. The time-tested IDT system guarantees the optimal feed you expect on all kinds of fabrics without any adjustments. IDT is all you need. Even when sewing two different materials together, like velvet and satin, or sewing bias seams, the layers don't shift. Seams are perfectly flat, no stretching or puckering. The slim design of the IDT system ensures precision stitching even in tight places, like when inserting a zipper. Challenging fabric like velvet stays in place, and knit fabrics are not stretched out of shape. With the original IDT system, your Pfaff sewing machine effortlessly sews heavy leather with no hesitation. Top stitching on several layers or over bulky seams is simple when using the IDT system together with heavier thread and a top stitch needle. Stripes and plaids match perfectly with very little pinning required. Sewers all over the world are amazed at the difference the IDT system can make. Quilters find the original IDT system irreplaceable and a true standout. Tricky diagonal piecing is no problem, thanks to the even feed of the IDT system. This exclusive system is exceptional for grasping and feeding small fabric pieces with maximum precision and professional results. Pieced seams will match perfectly in every quilt project. The original IDT system is particularly useful when quilting because the layers are fed evenly from both the top and the bottom. The backside of your quilted projects will look just as beautiful as the front. Apply binding with ease. The additional fabric layers are no problem. The IDT system will always deliver a result that is perfectly smooth and flat. Pfaff offers an impressively large number of presser feet, specially designed for the original IDT system. Even on ribbons or yarn, the IDT system makes the decorative stitches beautiful and precise. This is yet another reason sewers cannot live without their Pfaff IDT system. Absolutely even fabric feed from both the top and the bottom for over 45 years. IDT, the original, only from Pfaff.